In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Wise to Pakistan. To do this, simply go and open up Wise and click on Send from the home screen. Then from here you want to click on Add a Recipient. Now here select Pakistani Rupee. If it's not in your list, you can just search Pakistani Rupee and select it. Then here select Enter Bank Details. Then choose if it's your bank account or someone else's. I'll say someone else. And from here what you then need to do is enter the full name of the account holder and their IBAN. Now if you don't have access to their bank details, then just untick this box, and then all you need to do is enter the full name of the account holder and their email, and then they will receive an email where they can enter their bank details themselves, and then they will still receive the money to their bank. So after doing this, you will need to enter the amount you want to transfer and review if all the details are correct, and then choose how you want to pay for it, and then actually pay for the transfer, and then the money will be transferred to the recipient in Pakistan. So that's how to transfer money from Wise to Pakistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.